See that sticker on the back of this car? It says 40-year-old. I'll have to show it in a second. He's gonna take me for a pull in this thing. That is the big Procharged D1X. And that thing is nasty. You start it up real quick? Yeah. Bet. Let's see how this thing sounds. Bro, that's nuts. That's ridiculous loud, bro. So then I'd say take a right. Yeah, north Tijuana. All right, let me know the next time you do a pull so I can record it.
Thing's not bad for 93, huh?
No, not at all. It's super fast. Oh my God! You spun a good bit too.
Oh yeah, I did.
You blew the tires off. So did you do any suspension mods or no?
Nothing.
You need to do.
No, I have a cradle lockout kit for BMR.
That helps the most, bro. That's why you just spun in a straight line and you didn't throw the butt out.
I've learned the car enough to be able to I can stay in it.
Yeah.
I can stay in it, and I know I'm not gonna anything. So
that 10-speed sauce is crazy. Wait till you get it on the 85. It'll feel like a whole different car.
So much harder, man.
Yeah. We gotta race this one with the Camaro.
Oh, the Camaro.
Yeah, let's do that. Whenever you come back down, let me know. Alright, I'm gonna record it like this time so I get better reaction. Oh my God, dude, it sounds so aggressive.
We're gonna go to 65. We're gonna spin.
Alright. Oh, we spun like crazy. Woo! Oh my God, bro.
The car just goes like that.
Yeah, but it's still spun a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Like even at 100.
About 80, maybe 100 miles an hour, and then it'll.
That's crazy that you can still stay in it though, for the most part. I mean, I feel you coming off of it and then going back in.
Yeah,
but
I get off it just a little bit, and
yeah,
it'll pick up, and then it'll take off.
That's crazy that you can still stay in it for the most part. Man, it's fast. Wait till you put it on the 85. That's all I'm gonna say. Wait.
It's on the stock pulley setup too.
Yeah, you'll love E85.